Here is a story that shows why vocabulary matters. A quality manager at an electronics plant was shown a vendor demo of an AI solder inspection system, boasting 99.2% accuracy. Sounds impressive, right? But she knew to ask for precision and recall separately. It turned out the model's recall, its ability to catch actual defects, was only 78%. For medical-grade circuit boards, where a missed defect could cause a field failure, that was nowhere near good enough. She worked with the vendor to adjust the model's sensitivity, accepting a few more false alarms in exchange for catching 95% of real defects. That conversation only happened because she knew the right words to use. You do not need to build AI models to lead AI projects in quality, but you absolutely need to speak the language, clearly enough to ask hard questions and confident enough to insist on answers.